Introducing Blackvue DR750S-2CH, the new cloud dashcam standard. Refining Blackvue's signature design, the DR750S-2CH reinvents dashcam performance. Both front and rear cameras feature a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor. We push the Starvis sensor to its limits so you can feel safe knowing your Blackvue is recording clear videos day and night, whether you're driving or your vehicle is parked. When you just want best recording fidelity, Blackvue delivers with up to 60 frames per second. The result is true-to-life footage that catches crucial details even in fast-moving objects. But there's more. Faster Wi-Fi for quicker downloads with the Blackvue app, event video file protection, adaptive format-free file management, improved GPS, and of course, cloud connectivity. Blackvue DR750S-2CH, dashcam without compromise.
Have you ever been in a car accident and could not prove that you did nothing wrong? We have the perfect solution for you. The new Alpine dashcams provide digital proof of your driving situation and includes additional data like GPS location, G-force, and driving speed. The Alpine F800 Pro records in 1080p Full HD and features the Sony Exmor Starvis image sensor for excellent recording quality at night and day. The F800 Pro is also packed with cutting-edge technology to support you while driving.
Speed and red light cameras in 300 meters.
Speed camera alert warns you if you exceed the speed limit and approach a fixed radar camera. Lane departure warning notifies you if your vehicle moves out of its lane. And forward collision warning helps to prevent or reduce the severity of a collision. The cameras will also surveil your car while parked.
Parking recording will now start.
If any impact by another vehicle is detected, the camera will store the video footage and you can review it on your smartphone. To view all saved video footage, use the Alpine Dashcam viewer on your Mac or PC and watch your recorded videos synchronized with GPS location, crash sensor data, and driving speed. You can also extend your F800 Pro with an optional rear accessory camera. To see the full range of Alpine dashcams,
the Samsara AI Dashcam, a camera with artificial intelligence that analyzes road conditions and driver behavior to prevent accidents before they happen, detect traffic violations and near misses, and proactively coach drivers with in-cab alerts. It's all made possible by unparalleled video quality, real-time voice coaching, and embedded artificial intelligence. All part of Samsara's complete platform for connected fleet operations.
Never miss a critical incident or a memory-making shot. With Rand McNally's GPS-enabled high-definition Dashcam 500. What makes the Rand McNally Dashcam 500 unique? Exceptional features. What can it do? Driving incidents are captured and saved automatically thanks to the Video Keeper feature and built-in G-force sensor. See something special? Hit the flashback button to save it. And don't worry if you missed something. The flashback feature saves several seconds or even minutes of video captured before you press the button. You can even capture still photographs while recording video. The Dashcam 500 connects wirelessly to your smartphone and has a free app for iOS and Android devices. Use the app to view the live video that's happening on the Dashcam. Pause, record, and delete videos on the Dashcam remotely. Change the settings on your camera. Download, view, and sort videos and photos, or file away emergency incidents and memories. And with the app, you can quickly and easily share photos and videos on social media, in an email, or in a text. And because the Dashcam 500 mount has GPS, you can replay your drive and view where you were on a map at the same time with Rand McNally map shots. Dashcam 500. Capture, share, document.